Hello all, welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this tutorial, we will be going over an acrylic painting technique called pouring. In acrylic pouring, we dilute our paint using a pouring medium, and then pour the mixture onto a canvas to create an abstract effect. I'll use Viridian, gold, titanium white and lamp black colors for this tutorial. Cups or containers are required to mix the paint and pouring medium. Ice cream sticks or wooden paint stir sticks are ideal for color mixing. Choose your container size according to your canvas and paint requirements. Masking tape is useful for protecting the back edges of the canvas during pouring. Push pins can be used to elevate the canvas from the table surface. They're typically placed in the back corners of canvas frame. Let's begin by securing the back side of canvas with masking tape. Since this canvas is small, a 1-inch width sized tape is enough. Place the push pins in the middle of corners where the two wood pieces come together. Don't panic if you do not have push pins, as anything which elevates the canvas can be used instead. Since we've picked 4 colors, we'll be using separate container for each one. Squeeze out acrylic paints into the containers. A good beginner paint pouring recipe is 1 part acrylic paint, 1 part medium, and 1/4 part water. You can use container lines as a reference when adding your pouring medium. Measuring spoons or measuring cups can also be used for accurate volumes. Pouring mediums can be bought from a store, or you can make it by using glue mixed with water. Stir your mixture thoroughly until it's smooth and free of clumps. Mixing your paint may take few minutes, so be patient with it. Also, some paints are heavier than others in nature, and they may need to be diluted more. Use water to dilute the mixture until it has a runny consistency. Since pouring is a messy technique, I will advise you to cover the table surface with a sheet. Take an empty container and start adding colors one by one. While adding your paints, you'll notice that some paints sink and some float. Do not panic, this is normal. The amount of paint needed for pouring depends on several factors, such as the thickness of paint application, the type of painting technique you're using, and personal preference. In general, it takes approximately 1 ounce of paint per 25 square inches of surface area. I'll keep adding paints one by one until my container is filled. The colors with larger ring layer formations means these colors will be dominating the painting. Now, we can begin pouring layered paint onto the center of our canvas. We'll do this using a circular motion. This technique is known as tree ring pour. Tilt the canvas gently to encourage the paint to spread. This helps the paint flow across the surface and create interesting patterns and shapes. Make sure to observe how the paint moves and adjust the angle and speed of the tilt to control the flow of the paint. Fun fact, the tree ring pour technique gets its name from its resemblance to the growth rings found in tree trunks. It creates concentric rings of color that resemble the annual growth rings seen in the cross-section of a tree trunk. During tilt, ensure that the paint mixture is evenly distributed across the entire surface of the canvas, including the corners. You can gently manipulate the paint to encourage it to reach the corners. Allow the painting to dry completely on a level surface for 24 to 48 hours. Once dry, apply a varnish or sealant to protect the artwork and enhance its appearance. This is the end of our pouring technique with acrylics tutorial. Always remember to practice using different colors and styles to find out which one you enjoy the most. I also hope that you've gained insightful techniques in this tutorial, and I hope to see you use these techniques in your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.